Hi everyone! Welcome to our 3-digit subtraction quiz. You'll see each question on the screen and you'll have 5 seconds to guess the answer. Each correct answer gives you 1 point, so try to get them all right. If you need more time, you can pause the video while thinking. At the end, comment your total score below and tell us how you did. Let's begin and have fun learning subtraction together. Find the difference. When you take away 216 from 523, how much is left? Subtract 329 from 748. How many more does 748 have? What is the difference between 652 and 438? Take away 456 from 870. How much remains? Find how many more 915 is than 287. What's the difference? Subtract 512 from 731. What number do you get? How much greater is 804 than 675? Find the difference. Subtract to find how many are left when you take away 278 from 690. What is the difference when 963 is taken from 458? Subtract 329 from 847. How much is left? Take away 436 from 758. What is the difference? Subtract 259 from 681. How many remain? Find the difference between 905 and 487. When you subtract 564 from 792, how much is left? Subtract 229 from 648. What is the result? Great job, everyone! Add up your points and comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math quizzes. See you in the next video.